Allchinabuy Air Force One review. In this video, we're reviewing Air Force Ones from Allchinabuy to see if they're worth it. So to get started, at first glance, these sneakers look almost identical to the real Nike Air Force Ones. The shape, logo placement, and overall design are impressively close to the originals. However, once you take a closer look, some differences start to appear. The leather quality is one of the biggest giveaways. Original Air Force One used premium, durable leather, while all China buy versions often have thinner, less structured feel. This can affect how the shoes crease over time, with replicas developing deep wrinkles much faster. Comfort is another factor. The cushioning in the original Air Force Ones is designed for all day wear, while cheaper alternatives may have less support, making them feel stiff or uncomfortable over long periods. Additionally, the sole material on replicas is usually less durable, meaning they could wear down quicker, especially if you wear them daily. Some buyers also have reported that the sizing can be inconsistent, so ordering the right fit can be tricky. If you just want the Air Force One look without spending much, these could be a decent option. But for quality, comfort, and longevity, the originals are still the best choice. And that's my review for all China Buys Air Force Ones.